What's happening here in this hospital every single day is miraculous. And it might not happen if Stroger weren't here. What would these people do? Where would they go? Where could they turn for professional medical care? They get the best here at Stroger, and it's getting better. And I want to commend every one of those who are in the family at Stroger Hospital here for amazing work that they do every single day. They deserve a round of applause. So President Preckwinkle comes to Washington and says to Danny Davis and Jan Schakowsky and Dick Durbin, I've got a problem. I've got a lot of people walking through the doors of this hospital who have no insurance whatsoever but serious medical problems. We don't turn them away. We treat them. And it costs us a lot of money to do it. Can you help? Can we get a waiver from the Obama administration so these people will have health insurance, many of them for the first time in their lives? They'll be covered by Medicaid. And so we ask for a waiver. This is where America is heading, to make sure that everyone under Obamacare has health insurance. Is there anybody standing here who's ever been in a situation where they were the father of a new baby and looked around and realized they had no health insurance for their sick baby? I have. It happened to me. I'll never forget it as long as I live. You've never felt more helpless as a husband and a father not to have health insurance and have a sick baby. It happens every single day for those walking through these doors. And President Preckwinkle said, let's give them Medicaid coverage so they have basic health insurance. It isn't for the wealthiest, it's for those who are working and don't have health insurance, those who have inadequate health insurance. Let's bring them into this protection that can be available. Well, we made our application in Washington, and we made our case and made it convincingly. And again, hats off to Stroger and President Preckwinkle for that leadership. We got the job done. This is just the beginning. For the people now who will have Medicaid coverage, 115,000 people in Cook County will now have Medicaid coverage for the first time, 115,000. For them, the peace of mind of knowing that they have health insurance coverage, maybe for the first time in their lives. For this hospital, compensation. Now they're going to receive some compensation for the good work they do. And ultimately, healthier people, because they get care when they need it, not when they're in the worst and most difficult circumstances. So it's an important day for this hospital, for this country, as we step up and realize that the 50 million Americans without health insurance get sick just like everybody else. We treat them, we absorb their expenses, and many times pass them along. Now we're making 115,000 of them here in Cook County eligible for the health insurance that will keep them alive and give them better lives. Thank you.